Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I just received my Canon imageprograf TM-240 today. This thing was delivered on a pallet. It was huge. Comparison to my hand. I'm not sure where I'm going with it. For now, I just put it in the corner of this room, but I will do a video later on once I get everything going. I have to read the instructions. Obviously, this tape has to come off. I have to install the cartridges and things like that, but it looks pretty neat, pretty heavy duty. It took my husband and I both bringing this up the stairs, struggling to bring it up the stairs, but we did it. So excited to get it going. Like I said, I still need to set things up. I need to get like a stand or a rack for it, and excited to see what it can do. I bought it because it can print up to 24 inches wide. So I plan to do 12 by 24 on my solo and dive into that. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.